Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the land claim block in 7 Days to Die and how to use it. So first of all, this is going to be useful for protecting an area from the zombie spawns, and to get it you want to go to your crafting and search for land claim block, and here you'll see you'll need 5 small stones. Small stones can be found just like this on the ground, and you can go ahead and pick them up, or can be found as more bigger rocks, which you can mine with the beginning stone axe. Once you craft the land claim block, you can go ahead and place it down, and while you're placing it, you'll see this green boundary. This is the boundary where the zombies won't spawn, and you can have up to 3 land claim blocks placed in the world, and now as you can see, it is active once you place it down, and when you press E on it, you can see the boundary of the land claim block, just like this. Then just to turn it off, you want to press E again, and if you want to pick it up, you can just click this remove, and it is going to be removed. Then you can place it again and use it. So this is pretty much all, how to get it and how to use it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.